Here I have ALCATEL 1B, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So to do this, you just have to go to settings, then go to the smart manager, then to battery, then battery detail, and here you have this option battery saver. You can switch it here and enable power saving mode like this, and you can also set it to turn on automatically at the battery percentage of 5 or of 15. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.